Okay, this is a little video about how I practice free motion quilting. What I do is just go in and I start drawing. And I draw something that looks like something I could use. And then, since I'm trying to learn feathers right now, I start drawing, and that's not going to go very well. But it's okay, it's just paper. And everybody does things a little bit differently. And the biggest goal of what I'm doing right now is just to try to not pick up the pen while I'm drawing. Because when you start quilting, you don't want to break thread. I'm going to turn it. Okay, so now that I've drawn all that, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to think, what do I want to do next? Well, I think I want to do a heart. Maybe I want to put some feathers around that heart. Remember, I'm trying to keep the pen on the paper. This isn't good. I could have shown you one that's better. What I'm trying to do is show you that even if something starts out looking rough, you can make it look better. And then I'm going to come out of there, and I don't necessarily want everything to be all feathers and all hearts. So this is a little doodle that I do. It's just a leaf. And then let's do a little traveling around. Oh, and I want another leaf over there. Maybe I want another leaf there. And see, it doesn't look like I crossed over. Ran into the hole on the paper. That's never good. But you won't run into that on your quilting. And then I want another leaf. Just fill in a little bit of space. Come over here, put another leaf in. And I filled up an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. And by the time I get done, nobody's going to know the difference. Now, yeah, that little feather didn't turn out as well as I wanted. But here, let's try something else. Let's do a little swirly. And then let's put some feathers around that swirl. Doesn't look too bad. Come out here, put a vine. Come over here, do a little swirl. Put another little leaf. Once again, remember my goal is just to not break thread. And so I filled in a whole block, just a couple of minutes with a little bit of stitching. I want to make it look smoother whenever I go to do it on my quilt, but just sit and practice. You'll make it look better as you go. Don't be afraid, just draw.